Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by placing a chest or locker where you can reach it. This is essential because storage sits in World, not in a menu. Once placed, approach and open it with the inventory key or right-click. You should see two panes, your inventory and the container. Make sure to free 1 or 2 slots first so transfers don't fail, and drag items in groups to speed things up. This first step gets you into the system quickly so you can organize without losing gear. Once the chest is open, sort items by purpose. Resources together, gear separate, crafting materials grouped. This reduces time when you need something urgent. Use stacking and shift-click to move full stacks at once. It saves dozens of clicks. If block tails allows labels or distinct container placement, assign colors or positions for quick recall. For example, leftmost for consumables, rightmost for weapons. Doing this now means future runs are faster, and you avoid misplacing rare drops during raids. To finish, set a simple maintenance routine. Clear junk, consolidate stacks, and move overflow to a secondary chest so your main one stays usable. If a transfer fails, first confirm neither your inventory nor the container is full. If capacity looks fine, relog or reopen the interface to refresh the state. Make a habit of keeping duplicates of critical items in separate containers so a single bug or loss won't ruin progress. This small care keeps your storage reliable and your runs smooth.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.